जय हिंद दोस्तों, एरो इंडिया 2025 इस वक्त बेंगलुरु में चल रहा है और इस दौरान देश की कई स्टार्टअप कंपनियां यहाँ पर एग्जिबिट कर रही हैं और उन्हीं में से एक कंपनी है जिनका नाम है मिस्ट्राल, जो कि कई तरीके के इक्विपमेंट्स बना रही है, या आप ये समझिए कि हमारी आर्म फोर्सेस के लिए मेक इन इंडिया इनिशिएटिव के तहत प्रोडक्ट्स को बना रही है। क्या क्या प्रोडक्ट्स उन्होंने इस बार शोकेस किए हैं हमारे आर्म फोर्सेस के लिए, हम जानने की कोशिश करते हैं। सर, आपका शुभ नाम?
माय नेम इज़ राजा।
सर, यहाँ पर मैं पूछना चाहूँगा कि ये जो व्हीकल है, ये क्या नाम है इसका और इसका इस्तेमाल कैसे किया जाता है?
Okay, so this is a surveillance vehicle. Basically, it's a autonomous self-driving vehicle. So that means is that you don't need a driver for this one. So it automatically, we have a lot of computers inside, a lot of sensors inside. Basically, a lidar, radar, and it also having a surround cameras. So basically, what primary use case is to for a surveillance purpose. For example, you have a large defense area, and you want if you put a person, it's very risky, right? So this vehicle take care of going around and then give you a live view of what is happening in your campus. So you can sit far away and then watch what is really happening.
It's completely indigenous or something?
It's a completely indigenous. It has 3 modes. So the mode 1 is you can sit it far away and then you can operate the vehicle like something similar to your robot car you will have, right? So you'll have the buttons and like that you will operate. Second one is a full autonomous. So in the sense like you tell what are the areas that you're supposed to go. For example, if you have a large campuses, you have to follow the certain route, like security, they go through a certain path, right? So it go around continuously and then it'll come back to the place. It 24/7 it'll keep running.
It's in a 4x4 configuration?
No, it is a back wheel drive, right? So it's called a chain drive. So it's mainly designed for an ATV type. So it can go to any roads or non-roads or semi.
Any type of terrain?
Any type of terrain. That's right.
Any tests and trials from any armed forces?
Yeah. So we had tested in the all terrain anyway, and plus in Pune we have a labs where the vehicle can be tested in a different. Any new cars when you buy, those cars will undergo a basic trial. So they'll have a different type of roads, rain, different inclination. So we tested this, put this vehicle for all those tests, including the temperature. So it's as good as simulating a temperature which is in the Rajasthan, and as good as like a Leh. So it's like a minus 20 to plus 60 degrees that we tested, plus humidity. So we put a vehicle through 60, 70, 80, percentage of humidity, and then we'll do a rain test. There are a lot of tests, it undergone the test to make sure that it is a battle worthy. That means it can put into any battlefield and it can perform correctly as expected.
It's a collaboration with DRDO?
Yes, it's a collaboration with the DRDO. So
DRDO gives TOT?
Yeah, come again?
TOT, transport tech.
So TOT is going to be, it's planned as the next step. So currently we delivered the vehicle. So we're looking for more partners or customers so that we can deliver it to them.
If you talk about this vehicle is inducted in our armed forces?
Yeah, so we had participated in a lot of trials, right? So the one we had tried it in the Rajasthan border. So we taken this vehicle. So they tested in that real condition.
Yet to be inducted?
Yeah, that's right. Yes.
तो दोस्तों, आपने जाना किस तरीके से भारत की थोड़ी सी कंपनियां इस वक्त काम कर रही है, और इस तरीके का जो वाहन है जो कि ऑल टेरेन व्हीकल जिसे कहा जाता है, ये किसी भी टेरेन में, यानी कि लद्दाख से लेकर लेह की ऊंचाइयों से लेकर राजस्थान के जो गर्मी होती है उसमें भी ये झेल सकता है। ये बॉर्डर पेट्रोलिंग के लिए और बॉर्डर सर्विलांस के लिए एक बेहतर सिस्टम बनाया जाता है। अगर हम बात करते हैं जो विदेशी हम ATVs खरीदते हैं उसकी तुलना में अगर देखा जाए तो ये काफ़ी बेहतर वाहन माना जा रहा है, जैसे कंपनी दावा कर रही है। चीज़ें बहुत सारी हैं जो आगे आपको देखने को मिलेंगी। तो सर, बहुत बहुत धन्यवाद, आपने अपने इस ATV के बारे में बताया और हमारे आर्म फोर्सेस के जो लोग हमें देख रहे हैं और जो व्यूअर्स देख रहे हैं उन तक ये जानकारी पहुँचाई है। थैंक यू सर।
Thank you. Nice.